Welcome to another video on my Arduino Mega2560, connected to breadboard with some electronics and a speaker. The Arduino is for this project controlled by means of Octave, which is a scientific and mathematical programming language and environment as well. And the last few videos I have been focusing on speaker because the Arduino package in Octave gives the possibility to play a tone. But the tone hasn't been played very much, also just a crack. And the probes are connected to oscilloscope, of course, but also one to the speaker to display the frequency, and an LED to make the frequency visible. And if you have been watching the former videos, then you know that there is something wrong, because there's no amplitude, there's just frequency. Well, frequency says it all. But I can give the duration, and there's something weird with it. Very weird. Because the duration should be the duration of the tone and not the delay the tone is being played at. Like 5 seconds would mean the tone lasts 5 seconds, and not after 5 seconds it is being played. So with this I can't show much. Well, I can of course show this LED going on, so let me do at least that. Yep. And there you already see, it didn't start at once. It lasted a few seconds before it happened, and that's exactly what I meant. So let's check the software again and see whatever I can improve in timing, but also in frequency. Right, so on top of the oscilloscope is the signal from the speaker, and this is the signal from the LED. Let's start the software again. Unfortunately, something did go wrong. And mind this, you notice the delay, and it should start right away, but it doesn't. Also, the frequency is quite high. 20,000 over 20,000 Hertz isn't really audible. This is maximum, so let me bring it down. This should be audible, kind of, but then again this should be audible as well. Let me bring this to 3500 Hertz. Let's see whatever that makes. So, save, stop this, go. And once again I only hear a cracking sound and not real sound. But unfortunately I don't know if I can increase or decrease the volume. and this is going with quite a speed. Although this D1 and D2 and D3 should give so many delays, and that is really not happening. So if I take away these frequencies, command out, stop everything, save this, and then see whatever happens. So this is 0. Yeah, and here it says duration in seconds to play the tone between 0 and, so this would be then 0 seconds, which is not good. If D1 is 0, then this I would like to have 5 seconds. 0 Hertz I would like to have 3 seconds. So 5 and then 3 seconds silence. Let's go for this one. And I hear and see absolutely nothing. Oh, there's no Arduinos found. Oh, that I had last time as well. So I am now putting the plug on the laptop side. Inserting. You may have seen an LED go off here. Go. Yeah, now there is something playing, but I don't hear a thing. So the question is, what is audible, or to me at least, and what isn't? Looking at, yeah, here. Okay, let me change this probe's situation and get it. Yeah, and there's clearly a magnet around, which makes it a bit hard to position. However, this LED is going fast. For the with the bare eye it goes faster than on camera. However, here's nothing played. Nothing on the speaker. So let me increase this to 5000 Hertz. What is 5000 Hertz anyway? Go. It gives a warning, but why? Okay. Oh, like that. Okay. Now it doesn't crack anymore, but I don't hear anything either, but that may be my hearing defect with me. But I do not see anything here anymore. Alright, then let's increase frequency, although I would like to. The higher the frequency, the higher the tone. The higher the amplitude, the stronger the tone. But I can't do anything with the amplitude here. So let me bring it back to, wait, 100 Hz is very low. I can go up to 20,000 Hz, but my hearing won't allow to hear it. So let's go to 10,000. Should be audible. Very good audibles even. But then again, why am I not seeing any signal? Oh no, not again. Again, no Arduinos found. Alright. Now it's completely off again. Reinsert USB. Now it is active again, as you can see right here. LED is burning again. Go. Then I will probably have to wait 3 seconds. Yeah, here it goes. But again, nothing from the speaker. Now let me put the probe back where I had it. Nothing. So, did the speaker go wrong? What is with the output 10 go on? Or is it 10? Yes, it is 10. This I do not like. I know that the program is running because of the LED, but there's absolutely no signal. Okay, let me increase it to 18,000. Nothing. So I used to have, I'm now close to the 15,000 I had. Let's go back to 32. And even this doesn't do a thing. So I'm not quite sure what's going wrong now. Alright, now I have put the whole algorithm back and everything works again, as you can see. And the whole problem is right now that the cracking noise is from the LED, I think. No, it's really from the speaker. And as you can see, it is 8,000 Hz versus 15,000 Hz. And again, this would be duration in seconds. Well, this really isn't a delay in seconds. Really absurd this. So, what to do? How to do it? Okay, let me change this to D2. Stop, go. So now I have 5 seconds, I have 7 seconds, and I have 15 seconds. Well, that really isn't happening. Alright, let me now put some code in between. That I know what is happening when. So to say, time to debug, really. 8000. Then this is 0 part 1. This is 15,000. And this is 0 part 2. Quit, go. Well, this, if you compare this to, I only wait, yeah, 8000, 01, 50,000, 02, and those should be seconds. I copied this line, straight from the documentation. So if I take out this code, let me just do it. Command out. And I introduce here 30. I get 30 of this. I should get one tone of 30 seconds, but I expect I will get one thing after 30 seconds. Let's see what happens. So, go. So now why do I get only? This is strange. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 seconds. And I don't have a D1. I only have here 3 seconds. 30 seconds. On D8. And D8 is the LED. It's not this one. Alright, let me go for D10 then. $30 seconds as well. No, 15 and 15. No, maximum. I just go for maximum. 2 tones interchangeable. Whatever happens. 3, 4. And this should be the moment that I do hear something. But I don't. Alright, and when nothing works, or seems to work, find a tone generator online and then find out which frequencies you actually can hear. Which turns out to be a very annoying sound, but it works at 500 and say 800 Hz. So let's try this part. With the big question, does it actually work? Yes, it does. Except that this isn't 5 seconds tone. So why isn't the tone still not 5 seconds? I can hear it very clearly. So let me comment this one out. And this one. Save. Stop. Go. Okay, very clear. That's only one tone. But it still doesn't make any sense for timing. So I was at a frequency which was way too high. I heard only the coil pull and release. At least this is audible. So why can I use a frequency which is inaudible at 32,000 Hz? Maybe just because I can. Is it used? Well, for some users such high frequencies may be nice to hear, nice to use, but with a speaker this is better. Can I play music? That will require quite something. Of course I can program a range and then use that range. Have it slowly up, slowly down, make some music, whatever. But this works. Finally. Still remains the question, why does it completely lose the board from time to time? I can't explain that yet. Anyway, this is a very nice thing now. What next? Not quite sure yet. But once again, this LED here is blinking much faster in reality than appears on cam. So with 30 frames per second, as you can see here on top, it will be much better, much more realistic. Oh, look at this. This is at a time base of 5 milliseconds. This is much better to see. Yes. Logical. Anyway, I guess for now that's it. So, with the tones playing, I say thank you for watching. if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Give the video a thumbs up. And, well, leave a comment or suggestion. Now you can hear me better. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, like it, leave a comment or suggestion. Much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please show your appreciation by making a donation via either PayPal or Wired. More information on my website and under this video. There. You can also show your support by becoming a patron and have your name mentioned on my website and or with my videos, depending on the pledge you make. Again, more information under my videos. And please find the URL under my video for my website, with more information on donation, how and what, other projects, etc. For now, this is to be continued. Have a nice day and bye bye.